In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge PDF documents. We'll use Adobe Acrobat, which includes a built-in Combine Files workspace designed to turn multiple PDFs into one clean, organized document. Before we start, gather the PDFs you want to merge and make sure they're not open in other apps, so Acrobat can work with them smoothly. If you're using the free reader and don't see the Combine Files option, you'll need Acrobat Standard or Pro to follow along. Open Adobe Acrobat, then head to the Tools section. Think of Tools as the command center for Acrobat's advanced features. In that gallery, select Combine Files. This opens a dedicated window where you'll assemble everything. Click Add Files. A file picker will appear, and you can select as many PDFs as you need. To choose several at once, hold Ctrl or Command while clicking. If your documents live in different folders, just click Add Files again to bring in the rest. Prefer drag and drop? You can drag PDFs straight into the Combine Files window from your desktop. Once your files appear as thumbnails, arrange them in the exact order you want for the final document. Click and drag a thumbnail to move it into position. Take a moment to confirm the flow. Introductions or cover pages first, supporting materials in the middle, and appendices at the end. If you spot a file that doesn't belong, remove it now and add the correct one before continuing. Clear, numbered file names can help you double-check the sequence at a glance. When everything looks right, click Combine. Acrobat will stitch the PDFs together into a single file. The merge usually completes quickly, but larger or image-heavy documents may take a little longer. When the new combined PDF opens, scroll through a few pages to spot check that sections appear where you expect and that nothing is missing or out of order. If you need to tweak the sequence, return to the Combine Files window. Adjust the order and combine again. Finally, save your merged PDF. Go to File, then Save or Save As. Choose where you want to store it and give it a descriptive name so it's easy to find later. Saving a new copy is a good habit that preserves your original PDFs unchanged. If you're sharing this with the team, consider saving it to a shared or synced location so everyone accesses the latest version. And that's it. You opened Acrobat, went to Tools, selected Combine Files, added your PDFs, arranged them, clicked Combine, and saved the finished document. Follow these steps anytime you need to turn scattered PDFs into one polished, easy-to-share file.